Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this error. Windows could not search for new updates, try again. Okay, so I'll try my best to help you. Now I can't guarantee this will work, that's the disclaimer. I can't guarantee, that's why you have to try. There's a probability, high probability, but there's chance also this won't work. So that's why please watch this video till the very end and try all the methods I'm about to show you. And now let's jump right into the video without wasting any second. Okay, now let me show you the first method. So press on your keyboard Windows logo key plus S to open this search bar, and here please write cmd, okay, and then select run as an administrator. Make sure you're doing that. And here what you have to do, we have right now to execute a command. Okay, so please enter this command. I'll leave this command in the description of this video. Okay, so you can copy and paste. That's what I'm gonna do as well. I just copy this command and paste it right here. And now we have the second command. And here what you have to do is to simply just copy this command as well, and copy and then press, then paste, sorry. Control V, Control C, all right? And that's what you have to do, but make sure you wait for the process to end and then you can enter the next command, all right? And also please make sure you enter the third command and then you wait for the process to finish. And after the process has been finished, don't forget to restart your computer, all right? Please do this. It's gonna take some time, not a lot, depends. And now the next command, what you have to do is to write in here in the search bar, please write services, click on the best match, and here you can simply press W on your keyboard, and now here we should have Windows Update, alright? Now just go to Windows Update, right click and select Properties, and you can stop this process, okay? And then right click again and restart the process. This refresh will help your computer, so please try this. Now let's move to the next method. Here in the search bar, please write services. That's very important. And now click on the first match. And now we have to look for background intelligent transfer service. Okay, so you can click B on your keyboard and it should take you to background intelligent transfer service. Okay, and now what you have to do is to restart this service. So please go to Start. You can stop this service, okay, and then restart the service again. Now start the service, all right? That's very important, okay? And now what we have to do is to reset some of the components, okay, the Windows Update pretty much. So here, this is very important. Now for the next method, guys, please go to New, create text. Open this file and now paste this command. This is very important. I'll leave this command in the description of this video. Don't worry. And now click on Save, Save As, and select All. And here, what you have to do is to pretty much write, to name actually this file. Okay, so name this file like this. All right. Okay, so now what you have to do is to save this file and run run as administrator. Yes. Now I already did this, I already tested, so I'm not gonna wait for the entire process, but please wait till all the commands are going to be executed. This might take some time, but please take your time and wait, okay? And then all you have to do is just to restart your computer and then check to see if Windows, you still have Windows Update, you still have the same problem. But that's it guys for today. I hope this video helped you. And don't forget to subscribe if this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care.